5 reasons why the narcissists behave the way they do. Hi everyone. Most times a narcissist's behaviour can't be explained with words. However, after many studies, scientists and doctors have been able to identify these 5 things as the reasons why narcissists behave the way they do. If you think you or someone you know is probably a narcissist, stay tuned to this video.
But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released.
1. They like to take charge. Narcissistic people are so hard to live with because they're adept at taking charge of a situation and steering the conversation off course, always until you feel sorely tempted to give up and let them take the wheel. The narcissist is constantly feeling criticised, even when something is said diplomatically, reasonably, and constructively. Most times the narcissist is caught violating social norms, breaking the rules or disregarding boundaries. The narcissist suffers a blow to their idealized, egotistical self-image in instances such as when being told he will not be given exception to the rule or be granted special treatment. When this happens, the narcissist is reminded of their charade, manipulation, exploitation, inadequacy, shame, or self-loathing. They don't like this at all. They like to be always in charge. 2. The narcissist fears not being in control of their environment. The narcissistic injury occurs when a narcissist thinks their self-esteem or self-worth is threatened. The narcissist's false sense of self is exposed, causing distress that leads to narcissistic rage. Once given a taste of their own medicine, like someone being in control, narcissists will become emotionally, verbally, psychologically, and physically abusive. They respond this way because they recognize that direct exposure is happening, and the discovery of their false identity is being threatened because they want to control everything in their surroundings. 3. They are very sensitive. They respond this way because they are sensitive individuals with very low self-confidence. They become defensive and frustrated when their shortcomings are pointed out. Nobody wants to be reminded of what they lack in life, more so than the narcissist. The response from the narcissist is usually abnormal and can be dangerous. The methods by which the narcissist uses to enact revenge are different from the normal anger of others. It is not equal to the perceived offence. The level of rage is incredibly passive-aggressive and unreasonable. If you hurt a narcissist's ego, there are usually dire consequences. 4. They have anger issues. While anger is a natural reaction to an annoying event, the irrational responses from a narcissist are like an erupting volcano melting. Any negative remark or mild disagreement can trigger feelings of rejection, mockery, criticism, or all 3. This sense of betrayal or attack puts the narcissist on guard, resulting in full-on combat. You will see screaming, brutal shouting, and ridiculous accusations against their victim. For example, the victim may be accused of cheating, being selfish, or dishonest. Narcissists often contradict themselves as they are unable to regulate their thoughts and emotions. 5. Genetic and environmental causes. Often narcissistic behaviour starts in the teenage years or early adulthood. Personality disorders are typically diagnosed at 18 years or older. With kids though, it's important to note that some narcissistic traits are typical of their age, and it doesn't mean they're going to develop a full-blown disorder. Scientists believe that the full onset of narcissism may occur when interpersonal development is compromised. For example, being born with an oversensitive temperament, learning manipulative behaviour from parents or peers, being excessively praised for good behaviours, excessively criticised for destructive behaviours, and suffering from severe childhood abuse or neglect. Others are inconsistent or unpredictable parental caregiving, growing up with unrealistic expectations from parents, or being excessively pampered or overindulged by parents, peers, or family members.
So what do you think of this video? I hope you find this information useful for you. Please don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to be notified of our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching.